Hello everyone, today I have some 3x3 example solves. I average around sub 9 and I'm just going to go over my thought process in what I would probably do during a solve. So take my word for what you think it's worth and let's get started. Okay, for the first scramble, scrambles will be in the description. Also, I am dual color neutral, so I solve on white and yellow. So I see here that yellow cross is quite straightforward, so I can easily move in orange and yellow, or sorry, orange and green, and then my remaining two cross pieces are here, 3 moves from being solved, and then a D from being from aligning the cross. Then during that time, I can notice that this and this will be my first pair. So my cross solution would probably be something like this, first pair, like that. Now, I also was tracing this pair in inspection, so I would probably do this next. Although I see these two now, it would probably be a better pair to do. So if this were a solve, I would just go straight into this. And then finally, well, next these two, which I can do like this. And finally, this pair. But I will know that I'm going to get a dot case, which is not very nice. So pair it up like that, insert, OL, and T-pair. Alright, here's the next scramble. So I notice here again, yellow crosses easy, plus I see my first pair right here. So what I can do is, and also I think the way I'm going to solve this also sets up my second pair, but I'm not 100% sure about that. So what I can do is U, F, L prime, D prime, R prime, D prime. Then I'm going to go straight into this, like that, and then I was right. It's going to set up this. So rotate, insert. I can go straight into this next, like this. And finally, these two, which is very long, but it's a 2-gen solution. And I will sledge at the end so I get some edges. So like something like this. Well, I know I'm going to get either an N perm, J perm, or I don't think I don't know soon CP recognition, so I don't think it's going to be a skip. So it's either going to be a J perm or N perm from just recognizing these two blocks here. And then J perm. Third solve. Okay, so I'm going to do white cross here. I think I'm going to do blue-red as my first pair. So this is going to be a 4-move cross solution, and then this will probably be my second pair. So what I can do is, so I have two solved, here and here. What I can do is R prime, L, F prime, L prime, U2 straight into this, and then I had some idea it was going to be like this from inspection. So, and then I see these two next. So I can solve green and orange like this. Then I have that. And finally, I have this, which I can solve like this. I have this OLO, which I usually do this alcor, but obviously finger trick better. But since I have this CP, I can do that to get me an EPLL, which I get a U perm for scramble. Okay, so from here I think I'm going to do yellow cross. I see this free pair, which I can kind of preserve, but anyways, here's the solution. So cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So I can do du prime, L prime, F, R2, D2 to insert all 4 cross pieces. Then I have this, and I see this. So I can do something like that. Now I see these two, which I can pair and insert like this. Third pair I have this. And then lastly I have this pair going into the back left, which is definitely not optimal, but I think the rest of the solve would have flowed well. So pair, split it, pair, insert, and then insert that pair again. Now I have this OLL, which I would usually do a wide move alg for, but since I didn't recognize this CP, I can do from this angle back anti soon into F sexy F prime, and then finally have a U perm. Alright, here's my last solve. I noticed that doing an L on yellow can give me this solve block, but I don't see anything else that's good. Maybe I can kind of force an X cross, but we'll see. Okay, actually maybe I'll make a double X cross. So on white I have blue, orange, red, and green. So I notice that this has a block, and there's another block here. Edges with those blocks are here and here. So I can do something like F prime, R, L, U, F2, solve this, and then go into inserting that like that. Then I have third pair, which is right here. And then fourth pair like this. OLL and RPID. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something, and I will see you next time.